It's that time of year again. New year, new. Not gonna say it. Gotten a little fluffy in these winter months. Slacked off from cardio and used the excuse I wanted to lift heavy. The diet has been in the works for a few weeks now, and it just happens to line up with the new year. I've never been able to count calories or macros very well. So I'm gonna simplify the process and work my way into it. Let's dive in. So let's talk about it. For the 4-month diet plan, I've got 3 main goals. Those are going to be getting down to 210 pounds. I'm currently around 240. A body transformation. I just want to look better. I want to lose the belly. And then I want to find a sustainable plan that I can keep up. I don't want something that's so restrictive that I can't do it as a normal lifestyle. So within those 4 months, I'm going to break it up and have main goals for each month. I'm not just going to restrict everything. I'm not going to start counting calories and macros and dial everything in right off the bat. So for the first month, I'm just going to clean everything up. Cut out some of the stuff, have a clean diet. For the second month, I'm going to start counting calories and kind of dial in how much food I need to eat and look at the weight loss that I'm having and adjust from there. The third month, I'm going to start looking at macros. So all of this will go together. I'll still be eating clean, I'll count calories, and then I'll start counting macros. And then for that 4th month, I'm really gonna dial it in and try to lose as much as possible with everything put together. So on that 1st month, I have 4 things that I'm gonna break it down to. The first one is gonna be cutting out sauce. I use a lot of sauce. The second one, cutting out my sugar. The third one, switching everything over to healthy carbs. And the 4th one, I'm gonna focus on the quantity of food I eat. Here's some of the sauces I'm currently using. Got an Asian type sauce, sweet chili. Pretty good on anything from chicken, teriyaki, anything with rice. Mustard I don't use a whole lot, probably a healthier option. Barbecue sauce on any burgers or anything like that. Thousand Island, anything that really needs a salad. I use that for the dressing, or randomly on burgers, stuff like that. Kind of got that Reuben-y taste. And then the killer. I use ranch on everything. Pizza, burgers, chicken, pretty much any meal I can eat with ranch. And here's what we're switching it up to. Have a nice buffalo sauce. Can go on pretty much everything. Put it on the burger, stuff like that. And then some Frank's Red Hot. It's basically just hot sauce. Low calories, you got 20 calories on the buffalo sauce, 0 calories on the Frank's Red Hot original. The second thing we're gonna be focusing on this month is cutting down on our sugar. I don't have a lot of sugar in my diet. It's mostly when I do drink soda or I have candy and stuff sitting around the house. Especially right now after Christmas, we have some candy in the house. So things I'm gonna do to help eliminate the sugar. I don't like drinking just water a whole lot. So getting some drink mixes that are 0 sugar. Those are gonna be these Gatorades. Help a lot, they're like $2 a pack. I've got some electrolyte powder, strong greens. That'll help me get my vegetables also. And then because I work nights, Monster Zero. So a lot of stuff that's just 0 sugar that I can add into water, get my hydration up, and then also have a little bit of diversity there when it comes to just drinking water all the time. The third thing we're going to be focusing on is eating healthier carbs. Things that are a little bit lighter, healthier spectrum, and not as big of quantity. Trying to stay away from potatoes, pizza crust, stuff like that. So we're going to be using just brown rice with some of the meals, and then these tortillas, 2 a night with my chicken crock pot meal to put that on, which is probably actually what the rice is going to be in too. So some of the other meals won't have carbs at all to kind of balance that out. My breakfast meal won't have any carbs, and then my snack won't have any carbs. It'll just be the protein and vegetables. So really limiting those carbs mainly to 1 meal, and then eating healthier carbs, brown rice and tortillas. So the last thing I'm going to work on this month is quantity. I always overfill my plates or eat everybody else's leftovers so there's no food wasted. So I'm really going to work on portion control and not overeating and stuffing myself basically. This will get better too when I start counting macros and calories and stuff, and I'll be able to portion everything out. Let's take a look at what my daily meals are going to look like. Because I work nights, my eating schedule is backwards, and I usually finish my day eating breakfast. So let's set it up as a normal day for presentation purposes. So my first meal, breakfast, is going to be 4 eggs and a banana. Doesn't take very long to set up, about 5 minutes. Here's the breakdown on it. My second meal would be a lunch at work, and it's going to be shredded chicken, rice, beans, and 2 tortillas. So this is already going to be prepped and put into containers. Here's the breakdown on the food part. My snack at work is going to be 2 burger patties and some broccoli. Just something light and quick to hold me off the rest of the day. This is also going to be pre-prepped so I can grab it and go on the way to work. Here's the breakdown on the burgers. My third meal is going to be the same as the second meal, basically, probably without the tortillas though. Just a quick, simple crockpot meal. It's just going to be less carbs than what I'm doing at work. Just be a heat up meal and go, but it's already cooked. So I have a few other important topics that go with this diet. The first one, eating more fruits and vegetables. I've never been the best at eating fruits and vegetables. I hate fruit, but I'm going to try to start adding. Do the greens drink to help combat that, but it's just not enough. During this diet, I thought I would take the chance to improve these efforts and eat a little bit more fruits and vegetables. The vegetables are really going to help me stay full, and the fruits, I don't know, they're healthy. So I'll add vegetables in to my snack meal, so it'll be burger patties and broccoli. And then I'm also going to try to eat a vegetable with my dinner meal. I don't know what that's going to be, so it'll change up, but we have a few different ones. We have chopped spinach and like a vegetable medley and stuff, and then I always have broccoli to fall back on. And that's going to help with my quantity control also, because it'll be low calories, but I can eat a lot more of it. Not a lot more, but it'll give me another food to eat, so I'm not starving. During this time, another big change is going to be cardio. I'm not sure exactly how I want to get it set up, but I know I'm going to add more cardio into my program. I've already started incorporating it a little bit more this last week, and I'm looking to add a little bit more and a little bit more intense session. My current breakdown for my workouts is 6 days a week, 3 days weight training, and then 3 days of cardio. My current workouts are broken down into chest, back, and leg days, but I think it's going to transition more into a full body workout. I've also considered adding cardio when I get off of work, walking on an incline or a set down bicycle, but I'm not sure how I'm going to factor those. Cheat meals. 1 meal a week. Not an entire day of cheat meals, but just one single meal a week to cheat on. It's going to be on Sunday night. We usually do pizza a lot of times. We order Domino's, have wings with them, stuff like that. But with eating healthy, it might have to be a little bit more extravagant. Maybe pizza and a burger? We'll talk to the wife and see what she says. The biggest thing on the cheat meals is I don't want to have any leftovers. So I want it to be one meal, eat all of it then, and then not have anything left over for the next day. Because I'm going to eat it if it's in the house. So again, planning going into it, planning to eat it all in one meal, not having any leftovers to ruin the start of the next week's diet. So we have our goals and we have a plan. Hopefully that helps us out. Be sure to check out my vlogs for weekly updates on the diet, and then I'll be posting monthly updates specifically for the diet and to show the new month's plan. If this video helped you guys at all, hit that like button and let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments below. Have a great day.